Hi everyone! In this lesson we will learn some more advanced PowerPoint animation techniques. In the previous lesson and exercise we learned the basics. Next, let's learn it in a little more detail. Let's say we have these three shapes. We've learned to animate each shape. When we click the mouse, the animation happens. We can modify parameters of the animation. One thing I can do is change the trigger. In this drop-down list I can pick on click. This means the animation will start when I click. I can also pick with previous. This means the animation will occur at the same time as the previous animation. For example, in this case the circle will fly in at the same time as the star. I will make the triangle float in after the circle. It will fly in automatically when the animation of the circle is complete. Finally, I can create a button to trigger the animation. Here, the cloud animation will only begin if I click on the triangle. I can set the speed of the animation using the duration parameter, and I can delay it using this parameter here. So, let's try it out. As you can see, the circle and the star arrive simultaneously as I click. The triangle arrives a little later, and the animation takes some time, and the cloud only appears when I click on the triangle. At any point, you can open or close the animation pane. The animation pane gives an overview of all the animations present in the slide. I can also use this pane to remove animations. Finally, let's talk about the path animation. Using the path animation, I can move an object from one location to the next. When I add the animation, a line appears. The green arrow is the starting point and the red arrow is the end point. To modify these points, just click anywhere on the striped line. Then you can move the start point and the end point to where you like. Note that in this situation the start point is not the same as the object location, so the animation will look something like this. To fix this, I first move the object location to where I want it, and then I readjust the line. We can do exactly the same with all sorts of line types. Arcs, turns, shapes, loops, and even custom path. If we are using a custom path, then just press Enter to end the custom path. If I right-click on the path, I can edit it by moving these points around. And I can move these blue lines to add a curve to the lines. I can close the path to make it go in a loop, or I can change direction. Finally, we can lock or unlock the path. If the path is locked and I move the object, then the path stays in the same place. If the path is unlocked and I move the object, then the path follows the object as I move it around. I never use these options, but it's good to know what they do. And that's all there is to know about animation. It's a little abstract, so it's a good idea to get some practice. Just try the exercise. See you next time. Bye bye.